it like facial expressions combo. But I'm not sure if it's
Really cool and sweaty. Different Ford. Oh, it's 2004. Okay.
Yes.
I like this one until quite some.
This is 15. This is, look how small this is compared to my hand. Holy. Look, this thing is so tiny right here. Oh, wow. This pain right here. It's from left knee. There's Seneca. The topical profit.
Yeah, it's taking off no chocolate. But what's this?
Comes here. I've not been running. We're the Seneca knows condo company for running. Not sure if that's fucking cool company, but I've heard this. It's gonna be a long video, it's gonna be back. Some more right there. It's fine this morning. If your woman's
One's running.
Goodman. Okay. Goodman if your friend can't talk
Got
about
a tiny Duquesne.
your from the series.
Got a good one.
Okay, they don't see there's so much of them. Oh, this guy's looking like about to fall off his legs. Oh, that's nice. Let's look at those ones next. Oh, this is how I start talking about it. There's not a tiny twin right there.
That's right.
Got two Goodmans. It's gonna come for us running. I got a tiny twin right here. Next to a dozen. Yes, this is sounds nice. Oh, it's got a rear compressor. It's very strong on it. Still a carrier. Pain.
Pain.
Christopher Dawson.
Yes, I know. 22,000. This one's about to fall off. It's cold.
This first mirror is running.
This joining 7,000 was a half.
Yeah, just. Let's go here now. We're finishing this over here. Hopefully, I hope you can force to go enjoy this video. Time to start with this right here. You see? Huh, not sure anything.
Okay, I thought this thing was running this way.
apple go? What's apple got it? This cucumber leaf for colors. I'm going this way. Pennies over here. Wow. What you doing here? Mom, we're going this way. I'm looking this over here in the corner. Here, no, I have to this way. I'll try to be careful of it. Hold on here. Oh, I heard these things right here. There's a train right here. It has to be running. Heat pump. Just careful to shut off right here.
Just kill your performance.
PHP. Actually, on this here, we have a care comfort series right here this morning.
Have a kill your base model running. Just kill your base model, not a comfort.
Okay. We have chainsaw running. It's cool, it's not having that into. So we're just up there. We're an HVAC cabin. It's the HVAC cabin at the condo complex. There's a whole bunch of it's a big condo complex. That one doesn't sound good. Hey. I heard here because this tracing doesn't is running. This train is not running. It's running. I got a clear sentry. Came from. So we're gonna start here. Right here, it's running. It's off. Cool. Finishing off.
Train. Shut off. This one is about to fall if it's cold. That's not good.
Fine.
Well, hold on.
Wheels are here. It's a cool HVAC cabin. But it's like it is running. Sweet. The demon right here.
That's the top of the woods. Oh, it's just it?
Oh.
Oh, yeah, this is the top of the we're naked.
We have
I'll put it on.
Nice. Train. Point. Beam. 722. Freeze off. I'm going this way. This way. My video's already 9 minutes right now. Let's go find some air conditioners. This is my first time filming here. I've never been to a company before. I'm not sure. In fact, I can from up here this year. He only found a butterfly system. There's a boy disappear in this alley. Do something funny.
Something right there doesn't sound good.
Here we are. I'm going to put a one here. It's running. It's very quiet.
Oh, got a one-head motion running.
Oh, yeah, I see it. What is this? It's an airflow.
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah.
They're trying to explain right here.